Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear cache on your MacBook. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video because I'm assuming you know what cache is and you know what it does if we remove the cache. So moving on, we need to open the Finder window and then we have to click on Go and then go to Folder. Once when we're here, we have to type this command, library and caches, and then we're going to click here. So this is our cache. All of this is our cache. And what do we need to do? We need to do this. Then we're going to move to bin. And that's it. That's how all of our caches are removed. We can also just, remove all this to the bin. And that's it. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.